know what happened. Hono meaning 6-0. I don't know what you're talking about. What's that? Hey, that's not good. Why you're cursing on me? I didn't do nothing to you. That's not nice. Hold on. Sino ba you? Who you? This is how this. You cannot do that. I didn't do nothing to you, so don't curse on me. I understand what you said. So sorry, I have to report you. That's not nice.